Today we're going to talk about the different ways of sorting data in Tableau. So for that, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So let's do this. So what I'll just do, I'll take the region dimension and drop it onto the column, and then I'll take the subcategory and I'll drop it onto the row cell. So now, as you can see, our data, our table is ready. So in order to put your data into your table, so I'll just take the sales measure and drop it on the table. Now, as you can see, the sum of each subcategory in the particular region is now showing. So in order to do this sorting, we have to add another column which will show the total of the each row. So for that, just have to click on here on analysis, click analysis, select total, and then select uh, show row grand total. After that, as you can see now, our total of each row is now showing. It has been added in the different column. So in order to sort your data, as you can see on the toolbar, there is here is button which will sort your data in ascending order, and just right side of that there is another button which will sort data in descending order. So for sorting data in ascending order, you just click here. As you can see now, our data has been sorted in the form of ascending order. Now you can see the lowest value will be in first and the highest value will be at last. So now, as you can see, uh, the data has been sorted in descending order. So this is the first way to sort your data. And the another way is you just have to click on this drop down. After clicking here, select sort. So after selecting sort, so here is we can see our data. There's two options: ascending order, descending order, and here is the five different types of uh, option. If you can select any of them. First is showing the data source order, the default order when we created the chart. So second is alphabetic order. So if we click on the alphabetic order, now we can see our data is sorted according to the alphabetic order of subcategories. So if we select field, so now it yes, it has been sorted according to the field, which is ascending order. So another is manual. So if you want to do the manual sorting, you can use. So here we can see they're showing different types of subcategory. If you want to sort your data according to the subcategory, you can select that. And the another field is nested, so which is already in the ascending order. And here is the field. So if you want to sort your data according to the any field, so let's say I click on orders. So now our data has been sorted according to the orders. So here is the aggregation. So the aggregation for the orders is count. If we select the let's say if we select the uh, sales, so here is the sales. If we select the sales, and as you can see, the order of this aggregation of the sales is a sum, average, median, count. If we select on count, so our data has been sorted according to the sales field, and aggregation is count. So this is how we can sort the data in Tableau. So there are different ways. First way is to just to select the button over on the toolbar. So there are two buttons. One is ascending order, and second one is to sort the data in the form of descending order. And the another way to sort the data is just click on here on the drop down, then select sort, and you can choose any sorting the way you want. So this is how we can do sorting in Tableau. Thank you.